Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video, guys. And today I'm gonna be making the perfect Phoenix video. I'm really sorry that I'm doing it like this, guys. It's because my video that I did recently got deleted, so I had to redo it. So here is perfect Phoenix, guys, for y'all. Here it is, guys. Phoenix looking cool, guys. And we have a 4-star 1, guys. And the parts are 1 tower S or tower slingshot, guys. And here is the stats, guys. Here we go. Here's the stats. Perfect Phoenix, guys. If I can focus this right here, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there it is. 8 attack, burst 10, defense 9, weight 4, agility 1, and 1 stamina, guys. And for the slingshot, is power 4 and speed 2, guys. And I'm really sorry that my video got deleted, so I'm gonna have to redo it. But for the video, I'm not gonna be talking that much, guys. I already made the turbo surprising video already. Thank God it didn't got deleted, guys. Turbo surprising. So y'all guys stay tuned for that. The battles are gonna start right now, guys. First point goes to Perfect Phoenix. Another point for the Perfect Phoenix. Moving on to the next battle. For this battle, everybody already knows, whenever I get 3 points, we go with slingshot mode. There we go, guys. Slingshot mode is on. Let's do this. Valkyrie got lucky. 1 point for victory, Valkyrie. Moving on to the next battle. And the point goes to Perfect Phoenix, guys. Moving on to the next battle. For the next battle, it's gonna be Legend Surprising against Perfect Phoenix. Let's do this. Barely a point for the Perfect Phoenix, guys. Moving on to the next battle. Barely another point for the Perfect Phoenix. Now it's time for slingshot mode on, guys. Slingshot mode is now on, guys. Let's do this. Oops, guys. Let's launch. It looks like Legend Surprising has fallen, guys. Perfect Phoenix has won. That was a crazy battle, but you know what? We're gonna redo that one, because I don't even know if that was an actual point. So yeah, we're gonna redo that. first finish goes to the Perfect Phoenix, guys. That was a crazy burst, guys. Moving on to the next battle. For the next battle, it's gonna be Perfect Phoenix against freaking Hazard versus Hazard Gervais, guys. I'm sorry that he fell down. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Looks like Hazard Gervais has fallen, guys. 1 point to the Perfect Phoenix, and this is what Perfect Phoenix looks like without its armor, and it looks super cool, guys. I can't believe Hasbro did this. It looks dope, guys. Moving on to the next battle. 3, 2, 1. Perfect Phoenix. And Perfect Phoenix barely got that point, guys. Moving on to the next battle. And now we're gonna go with Slingshot mode, guys. Let's do this. Let's do this. Miss launch. Do this. No, the Perfect Phoenix has fallen. It is 1-2. Looks like another point goes to Hazard Gervais 2-all. Now Hazard Gervais is gonna go with Slingshot mode on, guys. Let's do this. Alright, guys. 2 Slingshot big on Slingshot mode is gonna be crazy. Oh! He just falling, guys. That is sad. Alright, let's do this again. Oh my god. Phoenix has fallen. Well, the point goes to Hazard Gervais. Moving on to the next battle. For the next battle, it is going to be Perfect Phoenix versus Surge Excalius, guys. Let's do this. Here we go. Perfect Phoenix has fallen, guys. 1 point goes to Surge Excalius, guys. Let's do this, guys. Perfect. Yes, you could. 1 point to the Perfect Phoenix, guys. Let's go. Looks like Perfect Phoenix has fallen, guys. Another point goes to Surge Excalius, guys. Perfect Phoenix win this. to it, guys. Let's go, guys. Perfect Phoenix has won the battle. Now it's time for slingshot mode. Let's do this. Alright, it's 2-all. Who's gonna win this? Who's gonna have? And it's Perfect Phoenix. Perfect Phoenix barely won that, guys. Moving on to the final battle, guys. Alright, guys, for the final battle, it's going to be Perfect Phoenix versus Crush Rockaville. Let's do this final battle. Alrighty, can Perfect Phoenix win this last battle? Oh man. Who's gonna win this one? No! Oh my god, Phoenix. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe Phoenix lost that. Like, so bad. Let's do this. No! Oh, that. I hate when Beyblade do that. They go in the freaking rail rush this time. There you go. The point goes to the Perfect Phoenix, guys. About time. It is 1-all, guys. Who's gonna win this? Alright. Let's do this. This ain't happening again. That ain't happening again. Come on, who's gonna win this? Yes, Phoenix has won. Thank God, guys. Now it's time for slingshot mode. Let's do this. Alright, guys. Can Perfect Phoenix get a reverse finish? Let's do this, guys. No! That was a crazy one right there, guys. Rockaville took that point, guys. That's insane. Now it's time for slingshot mode for Rockaville, guys. Oh my god, guys. That is crazy. I can't believe that even happened. Alright, guys. Let's do this, guys. Both slingshot base and slingshot mode. Let's do this. Oh my freaking god. Guys, let's do this. Who's going to win this? There's no way. There's no way this dude won. There's no way that Rockaville won. He almost got bursted. How in the world? Alright then. Whatever, guys. Alright, guys. Oh my god. What a crazy battle. What a crazy comeback with Rockaville, guys. Alright, guys. Now it's time for QR codes, guys. Let's do this. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. And here we go. Surgic Scallius. Here we go. And here is Rockaville. Freaking Rockaville. And here is the Perfect Phoenix, guys. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to like this video, guys, and comment down below, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video, guys. And the Turbo Spryzen video is going to be a really good video, so I hope you enjoy that, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'm sorry that I had to rush because I gotta edit that video, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys, and see y'all later, guys. Bye.